Starting the process. Watch the output. Perfect. The beans are ground uniformly. Check these seals on the Nescafe jars. They look secure. I'll inspect one. Good. Labels are aligned. Confirmed. Moving to boxes. Careful with the descent, align it precisely. Good, now secure the base. Confirmed, moving to the next one. Proceed with caution. Let's inspect the Nescafe sacks. The seals look intact. Good. Let's check this sack. The beans look fresh. Excellent. Approved. Let's begin. Check for uniform size. Agreed. And consistent color. This batch looks good. Excellent consistency. Yes, approved. Move to the next. This roast curve shows excellent consistency. Yes, the peak temperature is stable, and the moisture content is optimal. Exactly, this batch will maintain our flavor profile. Sample A has a rich, nutty aroma. Agreed. Sample B is more acidic, with a hint of cocoa. Let's score the body and aftertaste. Body is smooth, aftertaste is clean. In Nescafe's advanced facility, this freeze-drying chamber preserves coffee aroma and quality. From granules enter, keeping flavor locked in. The result is Nescafe coffee, with rich taste and aroma intact. Moisture is at 4.2%. We need to adjust. Agreed. Lower it to 4.0. Adjusting now. It's stabilizing. Good. The batch is on spec. Proceeding to next stage. Check these seals on the Nescafe jars. They look secure. I'll inspect one. Good. Labels are aligned. Confirmed. Moving to boxes. Everyone, let's make some Nescafe.
I'll get the kettle ready and I'll get the coffee.
Need a hand? The city awakens, fueled by the bold taste of Nescafe. From streets to skyscrapers, every sip powers the morning momentum. Nescafe, the essential kickstart for your day.
Welcome! Today I'll show you how to make perfect Nescafe coffee. First, 1 spoon of Nescafe into your cup. Then, pour in the hot water. Stir it well, and it's ready to enjoy. It's that simple. Ahlan, welcome. Please try our new Nescafe blend. Shukran. Smells wonderful. It's very smooth. Yes, excellent flavor. Rich. I'm so glad you like it. The Brazil to Rotterdam shipment is on track. Good. What about the Jebel Ali transfer? Slight delay, weather, rerouting via Mumbai. Monitor it. We can't afford stockouts. Routine inspection, all clear on this line. Checklist item, emergency exits unobstructed, verifying machine safety protocols. All systems compliant, moving to next station. At Nescafe, quality starts with selecting premium beans from the best global sources. We then apply rigorously ensure high standard. This process guarantees the consistent taste Nescafe is known for. The Nescafe sourcing report shows Brazil's production is strong this year. Vietnam's volumes are up, but quality needs review. The data supports our partnership strategy.
From field to cup, Nescafe's supply chain begins with advanced irrigation, nurturing coffee plants for a sustainable future.
It's precision.
A connected journey in every sip.
Stacking is complete. Let's seal this container. Looks good. Securing the door now. Latches are tight. Ready for transport. The Nescafe shipment appears complete. Verifying now. Confirmed. The quantities and certificates match. Good. Stamping as verified. Received. I will file these. The visuals are strong. Let's review the messaging. The coffee cup anime is smooth. It highlights the aroma. Good. What about the tagline? It aligns with the premium feel. We could test variations. Agreed. The coffee is ready. Who will have some? I will, my friend. It smells wonderful. Here you are. It is perfect as always. Ahlan wa sahlan. Please enjoy this Nescafe. Shukran, my friend. It is an honor. The warmth is perfect for this cool night. I am glad. The Nescafe shipment from Jeddah is on schedule for Rotterdam.
Good. And the quantity?
10,000 cases. I've confirmed it here.
Perfect. Any delays? None. It's all on track. Great. Sales are up 12%, a solid trajectory. Correct, and market share increased by 3 points. The MENA region is leading with 15% growth. Let's reinvest in marketing there.
Calibrating the grinder for optimal Nescafe consistency. Increasing the grind size setting now. Starting the process. Watch the output. Perfect. The beans are ground uniformly. Good morning. Let's review the safety briefing. Yes, always start with the PPE check. Exactly. Report any spills or hazards. Understood. Safety first at Nescafe. Let's check the equipment. Checking this Nescafe batch for seal integrity. Label and weight are correct, no issues. Hello, how are you today? That will be 12 dirhams, please. Thank you, have a good day.
Ah, the Nescafe. Perfect start.
It really is. Who wants some?
Hey, pretty please.
Careful, it's hot.
I love Nescafe.
Me too, me too. From this vantage point, the city unfolds, a testament to human ingenuity and the rhythm of modern life. A moment to savor, inspiring, every day.
Our customers love Nescafe. Let's partner for your stores.
Interesting. What are the margins?
Excellent margins, and we provide marketing support.
That sounds promising.
Let's move forward.
The Nescafe performance reports show strong growth in key regions. Sales are up 15%, but market share needs attention. We must strategize to maintain our competitive edge.
Yes, this is the Nescafe distribution office.
Hello, I'm calling to confirm the delivery schedule for Riyadh.
Certainly, that has schedule right here. The delivery is confirmed for September 20th at 10 a.m. Let's check the pressure levels on this tank. Tightening this bolt now to secure the pump up. All clear, ready for the next batch. Sample 1, rich, toasty aroma with nutty undertones. Sample 2, brighter, more floral notes, very distinct. The profile is complex and well balanced. Check the Nescafe coffee containers. Make sure they're secured for export. Right, I'll get the chains. Good, pull it tight. Double check the locks. All set, they're secure for export. Nescafe is a top seller. Demand is steady, with a slight increase this month. Younger customers prefer sachets, but families buy these jars for home. It's reliable and affordable. A trusted brand.
Please, brother, have some coffee.
Thank you, my friend. It smells wonderful.
To a good day. How is the project going?
Very well, thank you. Reviewing our Nescafe responsible sourcing data, Vietnam's compliance is excellent. Brazil's emissions are slightly elevated, we need to optimize. This ensures ethical, sustainable supply chains for Nescafe. Final Nescafe shipment moving to Bay 3. Copy that, on my way to assist. Load secured, proceeding to dock. Jars are aligned, no spills. Seals are tight, moving to the panel. Throughput is optimal, line is clear. Batch approved, ship it. As you can see, the Nescafe line operates at high efficiency. Impressive. What is the current output rate? Over 120 units per minute. Quality control is fully integrated. Truly world-class.